Hey, does your Robux balance look like this? Well, in this video, we're going to be looking at the top 5 best ways I've tested to make easy Robux. Just to prove that these methods work, you can see that I have almost 50,000 Robux using these methods. Starting with the first method, I want to talk about freelancing, or more commonly known as commissions. There are commissions for everything a game could need. For example, let's use Adopt Me. I'm talking about the GFX on these thumbnails, Game Pass icons, scripting, map building, and a lot more. All these things are skills that you can learn and be paid to do. For example, I don't know how to build, so if I were making a game, I would go to a Discord server like Hidden Devs and make a post asking for a builder. A builder would then see the post and send me a message. If you don't know any skills, don't worry, I'll be showing you the best way to learn scripting at the end of the video. But before that, maybe this next method might suit you. And that method is clothing sales. I've seen a lot of people just upload 10 pieces of clothing, get no sales, and quit. You need to be consistent to build your brand, even if sometimes that means quantity over quality. It also means that you might have to throw your first earnings back into ads to get more sales, but in the end, it's usually worth it. Just make sure you're original and consistent, and you could be earning 10k per week with this method. The third method is going to be through giveaways. I know you might think these are a waste of time, but by entering like 10 or 15 giveaways at a time, you're almost guaranteed to win at least one. Also, you can literally multiply your chances by creating multiple accounts. If you enter 5 giveaways, you have X% chance of winning something. If you enter the same 5 giveaways on another account, it gives you 2x% chance of winning something. The same thing applies for 3 more accounts. Just be aware of giveaway rules, and if someone asks you not to enter on multiple accounts, don't do it. The fourth method is something most people have tried or already use, and that's through Please Donate. If you don't already know, Please Donate is a game where you can walk around and donate Robux to other people. This method is one of the easiest and most profitable because you can do creative things like make a stand that has a certain goal on it, or write people's names down on the stand if they donate a certain amount. The main point here is to give people an incentive for donating, and that will highly increase your earnings. Number 5 isn't for everyone, but it's very profitable. Now, you don't need to be really rich, but you will need 5 to 25k Robux. It's called investing, and you can easily earn hundreds of thousands of Robux. Let's say the game you invest into makes something like 100k Robux and you're getting 40% of the profit. You get to keep 40k Robux. One more bonus / add-on method I want to talk about is that I hold giveaways on my Discord server. Not many people enter them, so make sure to join and check them out to earn some quick Robux. Anyways guys, if the methods from this video worked for you, let me know in the comments down below because I want to know how it goes for you guys, especially if you made some Robux. Before you go, if you want to learn scripting the same way software developers from real life learn coding, check out this video. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.